Assalamualaikum dear viewers. Today I show you how you share your videos or rank or backlink create. Right now go your YouTube dashboard. In the URL bar type your address youtube.com/dashboard youtube.com/dashboard. In this my web browser, here is suggestion. I click this link. After reaching my dashboard, which video I want to rank, just click. In this my new channel, there are one videos. Click the link. This video is loading. My internet connection is very low, that's why this is loading time. In my video, here you show a option share. There are various options in sharing. Here are you seeing some logo. This is my YouTube link. This is this video link. You can share this video link anywhere. You can share Facebook. This is Twitter, or this is Google Plus. This is Blogger. This is Reddit. This is Tumblr. This is Pinterest. This is LinkedIn. There are varieties options you can find. This is Live Journal. This is Dig. In this social sharing site, you can share your videos for ranking. You can create all here for your ranking. This is embed. If you want to embed your videos for any website, you can use this link. Just copy and paste your link here. This is option for email your friends or other FSA people. You can mail, just type and optional message just under send. In the social sharing site, you can share your video for backlink. Or now I show how to share your videos. Just click the link in the icon of your embedded videos. This is Tumblr. I select Tumblr. I have an account on the Tumblr, that's why I show this display. If you don't have any account, then you create. If you want to say something, just write down here and post your videos. Or you don't have any account, just sign up here, Tumblr. Now I show another one. This is one of the most important social sharing site. The page is loading. This taking load very time, that's why I cross it. Now I show in Live Journal. Just click the link icon. Page is loading. Here, if you don't have any ID, then create a blog, or if you have, then log in your ID. This is live journal. This is most important for any journalism work or your embedded video for ranking. Here the language selection, which language you prefer. This is your link. It's very easy to share or rank your videos. Just create your social media ID and share them. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share on your friends. I hope you subscribe and like my videos. Thank you very much for watching this. Hope you stay with us. Thank you.